Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for quick and reliable motorcycle and mini bike news. Today, we're taking a concise look at the 2026 Coleman CT200U, a mini bike that continues to build on a reputation for simplicity, durability, and off-road fun. Overview. The 2026 Coleman CT200U stays true to its roots as a rugged, beginner-friendly mini bike designed for trails, campgrounds, and light off-road use. It's built for riders who want an easygoing machine that focuses more on fun and reliability than complexity. Engine and performance. Powered by a proven small-displacement gas engine, the CT200U delivers smooth, predictable power ideal for new riders and casual trail enthusiasts. Its straightforward throttle response and pull-start setup make it approachable, while still offering enough torque to handle dirt paths and uneven terrain. Design and build. The CT200U features a sturdy steel frame, wide tires, and a minimalist design that emphasizes durability. The upright riding position and simple controls contribute to a comfortable and confidence-inspiring ride, even for those new to mini bikes. Who it's for. This mini bike is best suited for beginners, recreational riders, and anyone looking for a low-maintenance off-road machine. It's also a popular choice for customizing, thanks to its simple layout and wide aftermarket support. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman CT200U doesn't try to reinvent the mini bike, it refines what already works. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills mini bike for casual riding and off-road enjoyment, this model remains a solid option. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more quick reviews and updates on bikes and mini bikes you care about.